Hello, my name is Eric and I am a technical support engineer here at Inphonite. Today we're going to go over how to change the calling window. The first step is to log into your account through either the website voice.infinite.com on Internet Explorer or the InphoniteVoice Windows app. For this tutorial, I will be using the InphoniteVoice Windows app. After you have logged into your account, you want to click on Rules Engine located on the left. Next, click the name of the rule that you would like to update. From here, you can select the time of day that you would like reminders to go out. Depending on the number of reminders you have, you want to make sure to select a large enough window. A minimum of 3 hours is recommended. Each block represents 1 hour. After you select the time of day, you can scroll down to the label Call Scheduling Rule and select the days in advance you would like the reminders to go out, located here. Remember, if you do change this setting, make sure that you send us data for the correct number of days in advance. Contact our team if there's any question. Once those changes are complete, click on the Save button below. You have now completed the changes to the calling window. Thank you for joining us for this quick walkthrough. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our customer service portal for more technical support resources.